Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gusti Komang Sudarmadi Yasa, with the last 3-digit number is 085 from 4A class. Today, I will explain you about matrix operational. Okay, the first operation is addition operation. The addition operation on matrix can only be performed if the matrix have the same order. If A has order n times m and B also has order n times m, then the addition of matrix A and B produce a new matrix, namely matrix C, which also has order n times m. And the element in matrix C are the addition of element matrix AB. For example, A is a matrix that has the order 2 times 2, and B is also a matrix that has the order 2 times 2. The addition of two matrices A and B can be done because A and B have the same order. The result is a new matrix C where the elements are the sum of each element A and B. Example addition operational matrix. If we have matrix A with element 1, 3, 2, minus 1, and matrix with element 5, 1, minus 2, minus 3, determine the value of A plus B. Okay? Please pause the video and answer the question I gave. If you have got the answer, then continue this video to correct your answer. Okay, the first step is to check whether matrix A and matrix B have the same order. As the result, A and B have the same order. Then, addition operation can be performed. The second step is to sum the same two elements of matrix A and matrix B. From the question, we get that 1 plus 5, 3 plus 1, 2 plus minus 2, and minus 1 plus minus 3. Then, we get a new matrix with element 6, 4, 0, and minus 4. Next, the second operation is suppression operation. Same as addition operation, the subtraction operation on matrix can only be performed if the matrix have the same order. If matrix A has the order n times m, and matrix B also has the order n times m, then the suppression operation of matrix A and B produce a new matrix, that is matrix C, which has the same order, that is n times m. And the element in matrix C is the suppression of corresponding elements of matrix AB. Still with the same example. A is a matrix that has the order 2 times 2. And B is also a matrix that has the order 2 times 2. The subtraction of two matrices A and B can be done because A and B have the same order. The order is 2 times 2. The result is a new matrix C where the elements are the reduction of each element A and B. Example subtraction operation matrix. If we have matrix A with element 2, 1, 4, minus 2, and matrix B with element 1, minus 1, 1, 4. Determine the value of determine the value of A less B. Okay, please pause the video and answer the question. If you have got the answer, then continue this video to correct your answer. Okay, the first step is to check whether metric A and metric B have the same order. As the result, A and B have the same order. 2 times 2, yes. Then the subtraction operation can be performed. The second step is to subtract the same two elements of metric A and metric B. From the question, we get that 2 less 1, 1 less 1, 4 less 1, and minus 2 less 4. Then, we get a new metric with element 1, 0, 3, and minus 6. Okay, the last operation is multiplication operation. Multiplication operation is divided into two parts. The first part is multiplication of matrix with scalar. If A is a metric and K is a real number, the result of times Ka is metric obtained by multiply each element metric A with K. For example, K times a metric with element A, B, C, and D, where K is a scalar. The result is a metric with element Ka, Kb, Kc, and Kd. The second part is multiplication of metric with metric. A metric A can be multiplied by metric B if the number columns of metric A are equal to the numbers row of metric B. Okay, if metric A has the order n times m and matrix B has the order m times r, then the result times metric A and B is metric C with order n times r. Metric multiplication can be done because the column on metric A are equal to the rows in matrix B. Metric multiplication can be done by multiplying the rows on matrix A by the column on matrix B. For example, matrix A with element A, B, C, D, and matrix B with element E, F, G, H. The result times matrix A and B is a matrix with element AE plus BG, AF plus EH, CE plus DG, and CF plus DH. For example, multiplication of metric with metric. Here, I have a question regarding the multiplication of metric by metric. Metric with element 1, 2, 3, and 4 multiplied by metric with element 2, 3, 1, and 2. The result of the two matrix time is a matrix with element 4, 7, 10, and 17. Okay, everyone, it's all about matrix operational. It's all for me, and see you next time.